Today's story is about a law firm so powerful, it won the case that inspired the movie Aaron Brockovich. And it's about a CFO who secretly turned that power into personal profit. Meet Christopher Kamon, once the financial gatekeeper of Girardi Keese. Now he's a convicted felon who helped destroy the firm from the inside out. Girardi Keese was a legal legend in California. Big wins, big settlements. And behind the scenes was Kamon, who started in accounts payable and then climbed his way all the way up to CFO. He wasn't flashy and he didn't draw attention. But from 2010 to 2020, he and firm founder Tom Girardi were orchestrating a massive fraud. Together, they stole at least $15 million from their clients, many of them victims of serious injuries, toxic exposure, or wrongful death. They told their clients the settlement hasn't arrived yet, but in reality, the checks had already been cashed. Kamon wasn't just skimming, he was living a whole second life. He used the stolen funds to buy a multi-million-dollar home in the Bahamas, fund a $20,000 a month stipend to a woman he met through an escort service, and spent lavishly on luxury goods and personal travel. And all the while, clients were calling the firm asking when they'd get the money they were legally owed, and no one got real answers. In late 2020, the fraud came crashing down. Creditors forced Girardi Keese into bankruptcy. Dozens of lawsuits followed. Kamon fled to the Bahamas, but he was later arrested in 2022. He pleaded guilty to 2 counts of wire fraud in 2024 and was sentenced to 121 months in federal prison. He was also ordered to pay back $8.9 million in restitution. This wasn't just a failure of ethics, it was a failure of controls. So here's what was missing. There was no segregation of duties. Kamon controlled approvals, disbursements, and the accounting records. No one was reviewing large transactions or validating trust account activity. Many victims said they were given vague and delayed responses for years. Girardi Keese wasn't taken down by a lawsuit. It was taken down by 2 insiders. Christopher Kamon turned a trusted law firm into a personal ATM. And the clients, they lost more than just money. They lost justice. If you're a law firm owner, don't assume embezzlement can't happen to you, because unchecked trust is the #1 partner of fraud. Subscribe and come back next Friday for another real story and the lesson that could save your business.